isang point ng good gentlewoman from Las Piñas.
To tell they should,
Yes.
they should give the option to the people what they want. If they want condominium or if they want the land.
Parehong advocacy natin dyan, good gentlewoman, kahit bilang
Sila
sponsor.
pwede mag-condominium kung hindi kaya.
Yes,
They
Mr.
be
President.
given the option to buy the land. And then yung land na lang. Kasi sa amin, gusto lang nila, kanila yung lupa. And mura lang yon. Oh, give them the option. Don't force them to buy from the condo because many of them cannot afford it. Oh, yun lang ang inaano ko sa inyo that after all, your mandate is to provide for the homeless and the poor. Bakit mo po persay mag-condominium yung homeless and poor if they cannot afford it? Oh.
Yes,
So,
Mr.
yung option na yun should not be removed from them kasi gagawin nila, tatanggalin nila yung mga homeless and poor, tapos tatayuan nila ng condominium, tapos hindi naman magkukwalify yung homeless and poor to buy the condo, where will they go? Oh.
Yes, Mr. President. 100% nakikiisa ang representasyong ito sa good gentlewoman sa ganyang advokasya.
At na wag nilang bobolahin yung mga pahihirap na aalis kayo dyan, bibigyan namin kayo ng kondo. Akala nila libre yung kondo, hindi nila alam, babayaran nila yon and they cannot afford it. I know they cannot afford it. Oo. So, give them the option. Sila mamili kung gusto nila, lupa lang ibigay sa kanila o buildan sila ng kondo, di ba? And many of them would prefer na bigyan na lang sila ng lupa and mag-save na lang sila to build houses on the land in the future. Kasi nagawa na sa amin yon. So why are they changing the model? Yun lang ang question ko.
Yes, Mr. President, and definitely the model is not being changed. May affirmation po tayo dito na CMP as an option will always be there and will not be abandoned. Nga lang kailangan talaga ng funding mula sa GAA na historically hindi po naibibigay. Pero patuloy po nating ilalaban na laging kasama po ang CMP. Pati po, yes,
We can approach government financing institution to buy the land and then the people will pay amortization for the land. Hindi naman kailangan manggaling sa GAA yun eh. If you will arrange that Pag-ibig will buy the land and they will pay amortization to Pag-ibig. Oh, they don't want the land for free. They just want the opportunity to be able to pay amortization on the land. Kasi mas mura yon than condominium. Yun lang naman ang option na binibigay namin. Di naman sila naghahanap ng libre. They're willing to pay the amortization, but you give them a chance. May model na gano'n, na bibili ng Pag-ibig or government financing institution ng land, and then they will pay for it through amortization. And they were even willing to pay down payment. Paano ba ginawa yung NHA na walang down payment, tapos 700 ang hulog, may mga ginagawa, inililipat ko yun sa inyo sa NAIC eh. Di ba that's a better model? Imagine a townhouse and our people from they don't pay down payment, they just pay 700 a month. Tuwan-tuwa sila dun eh.
Yes, Mr. President, and actually hindi po nalalayo yung 700 pesos na sinasite ng good gentlewoman sa tinatansya din with amortization subsidy na babayaran kahit sa mga low-rise buildings bilang isa, hindi lang yung solong option sa 4PH dahil nga laging nandun pa rin ang CMP, laging nandun pa rin ang GLAD.
4,000.
Hindi po, not according to this table ng DSUD. Okay. Kasi Oh, definitely, good gentlewoman. Mr. President.
Just a point of order,
Senator Sito, can you please use the mic so we can hear you?
Thank you, Mr.
Just
President.
protecting the people living on the informal settlers. They are being deceived that they will be given condominium. Akala nila free yon. Sabi ko, mahal yan. So, huwag kayo aalis diyan sa lupa kasi pwede namang ibenta sa inyo yan lupa. At yan ang hulugan nyo, mas mura. Oo. Yun lang naman yung option na yun. Kasi paaalisin sila eh. And pagpunta nila sa Las Piñas, kasama pa nila Shopsy. Oh, so who are doing that?
Mr. President, as I was saying kanina, bukod dun sa
Kasama
may
yung mga contractor. Oh, yung contractor nagagawa ng building. Bakit kasama contractor? Ha?
Mr. President,
Ano yan, negosyo? Ha? Na i-deprive ang poor ng mga lupa nila tapos ninegosyohin nyo yung lupa? Ano yon? Ba't may contractor at ano yon, ibebenta? Sabi nila, how are you able to buy? You have to apply sa pag-ibig. And if you're rejected, you are not entitled.
Mr. President, as I said earlier, kahit kay Secretary mukhang may problema dun sa Las Piñas, and as in previous years, we should, yes, well, it's a good example to gain practical lessons from. So baka kailangan nating tugunan on the ground. Pero gusto ko ring i-make of record na yung binanggit ng good gentlewoman na 700 pesos amortization ay hindi na po nalalayo dun sa nakikitang posible ng department with amortization subsidy. Lalo na kung in partnership sa LGU na may 1,000 pesos a month, nagsisimula yung amortization ng informal settler dun sa low-rise building at 800 pesos. And then further, tungkol po sa CMP at sa GLAD, para ipakita, i-make of record na hindi po talaga bibitawan ng DSUD ang CMP, hindi talaga bibitawan ng DSUD ang GLAD, at lalo na dahil tinutulak natin ng Senado sila, patuloy nilang iisipin paano gagawing complementary programs. So isosustain bilang complementary programs kahit dito sa 4PH with government guarantee. For one, Mr. President, ang stage-wise na land muna ay ang CMP at ang GLAD. Nga lang, hindi yon bahagi ng 4PH pero complementary po siya at taon-taon hihingian pa natin ng GAA support yan. At halos wala ding... Yes, Mr. President?
The senators would want you to manifest in writing that the people, the poor and the homeless will have an option to choose whether they want a condominium or a CMP program. Parang
Yes, very well taken, Mr. President. The Secretary is very willing to do that to our
they want a
satisfaction.
formal manifestation in writing that the poor and the homeless can choose whether they want a CMP program or a condominium. Oh, okay. So, may option.
Yes, Mr. President. Yung paulit-ulit kong minamanifest during this interpellation so far, very willing po ang Secretary to put it in writing. Yung kanilang suporta at patuloy na paghingi ng GAA support para dun sa CMP at GLAD programs na alam nating may track record na tried and tested na mga modelo, Mr. President. Just further for the record, Mr. President, halos wala ding pondo ang CMP sa ngayon except for loan repayments or reflows. And lastly, at this point, Mr. President, kaugnay din nung written commitment na i-accomplish ng Secretary, the Secretary has promised the committee to study the inclusion of GLAD. GLAD starts with just land acquisition. Pag ready na, bahin na. Salamat, Mr. President.
Thank you, Mr. President. I'm regaining the floor now.
Yes, Mr. President.
But I'm glad, actually, I'm glad that a lot of our colleagues are interested in how
Yes, Mr. President.
and how the 4PH program will come into fruition. Kasi I'm reading